Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 155 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this NYX Highlight and Contour Cream Pro palette. So I recently picked this up in my NYX haul. If you want to see that haul, I'll link the video down below of where I reviewed the Swear By It palette and also showed everything I bought that day at the NYX store. But so this retails for $25. And this is the new remake version of the Powdered Pro Highlight Contour Palette. So it's supposed to have the same colors, but just in a cream form. And NYX is a cruelty-free brand. All right, so here we have it. It's a clear packaging, which is cute when it's brand new, but once these start getting used and look messy, then this palette's not gonna look so cute. It's almost like I would rather it not be a clear package. So you get 8 different shades and they're really big. See how they feel. Ooh, very nice, very creamy. Once I swatched that, this is the lightest shade. It looks very orange. Not even sure I'd want to contour with that. Let's try the next shade in. So this is the swatch of this shade here, and I'm surprised it looks a lot darker in the pan. Since these swatches are looking so different, I'm going to just go ahead and swatch all of the colors. Okay, so we have this one swatched right here, and then the darkest brown swatched right here. And I'm so surprised. I thought I was going to want to stick to this shade, but it's so orange. And then the next shade after that, this one here, kind of like the next darkest, is also quite orange. So I actually want to go in with this contour shade, which is this one here. So I guess I'll start out by doing a contour and then we'll swatch the highlights and do that afterwards. So I'm just going to take this shade here. Oh, I wish there was a mirror on here. Like instead of this clear packaging, a mirror would be so nice. I'm very surprised by how light these are actually showing up on the skin, because they look so dark in the packaging that I was like, oh no, all of these look too dark for me, but here I am putting on the second to darkest contour shade. Now just buff it in with my Kabuki brush. Okay, wow, this is actually looking like very subtle on my pale skin. I don't even know how this would really work on anyone with like a deeper skin tone than I have. Like that barely made any difference. I'm actually going to go ahead and apply a little bit of the darkest shade to try and just like see some sort of difference. Wow. So like they blend pretty nicely, but they are just not showing up very well. Like they're not very pigmented. Surprise! I'm so surprised right now. Like that was the darkest shade in this palette. This super like deep brown is not even really showing up. I'm gonna go in with one more layer of this shade here and try and build up some contour color. I am really liking the texture of this. The cream is like, it's moisturizing, so it's good on like my dry skin. So it looks very smooth on my skin because of how moisturizing this kind of cream formula is. So I do like the texture of it. just really am not impressed by the pigments and the colors. They just look so different on the skin than they look in the pan. Barely looks like I have any contour on my face, and I have applied so much. Let's move on to the highlight shades. I'm gonna swatch each one. I have swatches here, but it's really hard for them to show up on my skin tone. They do swatch with more pigment, I feel like, than these contour shades. They actually are swatching like true to their color in the pan. So I don't have any concealer on right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this lightest shade under my eyes. Okay, that's looking really brightening so far, so that's good. And then down the center of my face, I'm gonna take this shade here because this one's a little, like this one looked a little bit too yellow for my skin tone, so I'm gonna go in with this one. And I'll blend it in with a sponge. Oh wow, yeah, I am enjoying these highlight shades, cream highlighters, so much more than those contour shades, wow. But these ones are really, really nice, like really good at brightening up my skin. And they blend out really nicely and do have good pigment, like you can still see the color and the brightness really fully after blending this in. Okay, good. I really like that. And then this is a pretty highlight shade. This one here, it does have some nice shimmer and reflection to it, so I'll go ahead and add that to my cheekbones. This cream formula also looks so nice on the skin. It's not like emphasizing any texture at all. A little bit down the center of my face. It's nice. It does have a nice glow. It's not like a super blinding highlight, so I would probably usually go in with a highlighting powder on top of this, but it really does give a nice glow and it looks very smooth on my skin because sometimes those liquid highlighting like formulas can really settle into the pores and show off texture, but this actually looks very smooth. Even though this is cream, like my skin is not feeling wet anymore, which is good. And it does blend nicely, looks very good on my skin, but I feel like I have to go in with a powdered contour shade because this is just really not doing anything for me. I am impressed with these highlight shades though. I wonder if the powdered version of this palette has better pigment. So here's my final contoured face. It doesn't look that different from when I started out without any contouring and highlighting. So I don't really feel like this is worth $25 because I could really do without any of those contour shades, and really those highlighting shades, I can achieve that same look with concealer, and that would probably be my preferred method to add the highlighting effect to my face. So I was really excited to try this out. I thought it would really help give me a sculpted look to my face, but I'm just really not getting that. I'd love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on this palette, because I thought I was gonna like this a lot more than I actually do. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.